Every great meal begins with the
Great
courage
biryani
to try.
isn't rushed. It is built one flavorful layer at a time. Every grain of rice should tell a story of a rich spices and love. The secret ingredient in every homemade biryani is patience. Good food fills the stomach, but biryani fills the heart. A pot of biryani brings family and friends together. Let's cook something unforgettable together now. Let's start with our onion first here. This is my look. I'm using liquid butter. You can see that our onion is turning into brown and adding salt. We want it to become brown golden. Golden color. My onion is so crispy. So crispy. Take your time with each step. The best biryani isn't just cooked, it's carefully crafted. Welcome. Today we are making a rich, flavorful meat biryani that's fragrant, delicious, and easier than you think. So let's cook something unforgettable together as we are preparing our vegetables. If you are still here, thank you so much for reaching this middle. God bless you and I love you. When the aroma of biryani fills the kitchen, happiness isn't far away. Cooking is love made visible, and biryani is one of its finest expression. This salad you see here, we are going to eat with our biryani. Life is better when there is biryani on the table. Every spoonful of biryani is a celebration of flavor. Homemade biryani turns ordinary moments into special memories. So we are preparing something salad small, as you can see on the screen. Thank you. If you are here, God bless you. This is very simple and affordable. You can try in the house. In preparation, definitely the place will be dirty. Keep watching. I love you. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings recipe. Every delicious biryani starts with well-seasoned meat. The spices were added, lemon juice, salt, and others added. Now we will build a rich, deep flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Great cooking begins with simple ingredients and a little patience. Season the meat well because every step adds to the final masterpiece. Don't rush this step. Let the meat absorb the spices because that's the secret to a flavorful, tender biryani. I'm chopping my onion with my hand. If you are not comfortable, use chopping board so that you will not cut your hand. Thank you so much. Let's start the doings. Okay, so now we will start with our onion first. Let's stir fry our onion so it become brownie or golden color. So this is my onion and my liquid butter here. I'm stir fry till it become golden or brownie. So I added my tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, and I chopped and I added it here. You can see on the screen. So now I'm adding my meat. The aroma starts here. As the meat go inside and the spices will meet the meat, the foundation of a delicious homemade biryani is already coming together. The best biryani is built from the ground up. So I'm adding my seasoning. A well-seasoned meat and a rich sauce are the keys to a meal everyone will remember. So I added my tomato puree. I've already added my meat spices here. This is meat spices, curry powder, that's my green pepper and my carrot. I'm adding water. Because of the meat, I have to steam it because the meat is very hard. This is biryani spices. I'm adding turmeric powder. I'm adding 1 meat stock. So this is our biryani sauce. This is garlic. I've already added powdered one, mixed the spices I made. Ginger, garlic, cinnamon powder, everything is in that mixed spices I added. But I decided to add fresh garlic so that it will smell good. Already soaked my rice. Adding salt. This is liquid butter. I'm adding dry herbs so that it will smell more good. Bay leaf now here. I've already added powdered one, so let's stir it. Now that our meat is beautifully seasoned, let's build a rich aromatic sauce that will bring every grain of rice to life. If you are still watching till now, I love you. God bless you. Now I am stirring the sauce. Now everything has balanced. Now let's continue the next step. Now I am adding the yogurt. It gives the sauce a rich creamy texture while helping the spices blend together beautifully. Yogurt is one of the secrets to a tender flavorful biryani. It adds richness and balances the spices perfectly. This yogurt will make the sauce smooth, creamy, and full of delicious flavor. Every spoonful of biryani will be worth it. Now it's time to cook the rice. Perfect biryani starts with perfectly cooked rice, light, fluffy, and full of flavor. Every grain should stay separately and beautiful. The rice is just as important as the meat. Cooking it carefully now will give our biryani the perfect texture in every bite. This is where patience pays off. We are cooking the rice until it's just right, so it finishes perfectly with the flavorful meats and sauce. Now I am stirring in the yogurt. It brings a rich, creamy texture to the sauce. You can see everything is balancing the spices and helps create a tender. As the rice cooks, it's already absorbing the fragrant spices, creating a perfect foundation for an unforgettable meat biryani. A great biryani is all about balance. Tender meat, rich sauce, and fluffy rice come together to create something truly special. Our rice is ready. Next, we will combine it with the rich meat sauce, where every layer of flavor comes together to create the perfect biryani. So we are coming to start combining them together. Now comes the most exciting part, bringing the rich meat sauce and fluffy rice together. This is where the magic of biryani truly begins. Hi! Every layer is a promise of flavor. As the rice and meat come together, every bite becomes a perfect balance of spices and aroma. This is the heart of biryani, where tender meat, fragrant rice, the rich spices become one unforgettable dish. Watch as every grain of rice is coated with the delicious aromatic sauce. This is what makes biryani so special. Great biryani isn't just made, it's gently layered with care, so every spoonful is packed with incredible flavor. The wait is almost over. Our beautifully cooked rice is now joining the rich meat sauce to create a meal worth sharing. Now comes the most exciting part, bringing the rich meat sauce and fluffy rice together. Every layer adds more flavor. You can see, turning simple ingredients into an unforgettable meat biryani. So everything is packed in one pan. Thank you so much for joining. This is Chaco.
I want it to smell smoky, so yeah, I'll remove the fire.
Master, speak, thy servant heareth, waiting for thy gracious word, longing for thy voice that cheereth. Master, let it now be heard. I am listening, Lord, for thee. What hast thou to say to me? Now it's time to bring everything together. I am gently combining the fragrant rice with a rich, flavorful meat sauce, making sure every grain is coated with all those delicious spices. This is the moment our meat biryani comes to life. We will cover the pot and let it cool gently.
Be prepared. I'm returning it in so that it will not be cold.
Patience is the secret to a truly delicious biryani. And here it is, our homemade meat biryani, tender, juicy meat, fluffy rice, and rich spices in every bite. It's comforting, flavorful, and perfect for sharing with family and friends. Thank you so much. If you are still watching, God bless you. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipe. Until next time, keep cooking with love and enjoy every bite. See you in my next recipe. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings recipe. Believe in your skills. Every great chef started with one recipe. Simple ingredients can create something extraordinary when made with love. Keep inspiring others, one delicious meal at a time. Good food brings people together, and your cooking can make someone's day brighter. Cook with love, serve with joy.